Hi folks, Dave continuing on with my 1972 F350 restoration project here. I thought I'd just walk around and give you a quick update as far as the stuff that I've done. I've got my passenger side all welded up and sealed. I did use some filler on the inside area. Sorry about the light, this is just a quick video. I've got both my fuel tanks hung now. I'll get you a better view here in just a minute. I've got new tires. Rims are all de-rusted, and again, I put some POR15 on it. There's another view of the tanks from the rear. I think it's going to work nice over there. I still got to go ahead and de-rust all of this rear end here. I'll paint that up. New tires over here as well. Got to do something with that brake cable there. It's just not quite how it's supposed to be, I believe. Whoever put it in like that was crazy. So here's the other fuel tank here. I had to do some welding here. I had to make the straps here. The old straps on here, the bolts were seized. I just cut them off and just made some new attachment pieces here. I'll clean those welds up. No, I'm not a good welder, and no, I don't want to be a great grinder. So this is like the halfway point between both of them. It works, it looks pretty, and it don't take much for me to clean it up. I got my full board cut out here. I got to cut the rest of that mount out, the body cab mount out. It's just I had to get some more saw blades. I mean some more grinder blades, the cutoff blades, and that'll be done the next day. So I'm getting ready to take that engine out. I was trying not to, and I decided to go ahead and do it. All the truck is disassembled now on the front. I'm like, it might be easier just to pull the engine out, change out the clutch and throw out bearing. I've got that right here. This box going away. I just picked that up today from Advanced Auto Parts. It seems like everything I want for this truck, I got to order it. Very few things I found that I could just walk in and get it. It goes with the age, I guess, but they have it, at least they got it in the warehouse. So anyway, I think today I'm supposed to have my brake lines, which is what was holding me up here. I didn't want to put anything back together here for the front brakes. They're drum brakes. I got new wheel cylinders in that little box down there. But what I was missing is the piece, the hose that goes from the wheel, from the wheel cylinder to the frame over there, or up to the frame to a solid fixed point up there. I just couldn't get one for this truck. I had to go based off of, you know, the 3/16 size hose fittings. And so I got a one that's similar for the back end. It's just a little block, and I could screw it to the frame, which is what I'm going to do right up here in the front end. It's supposed to be delivered today. I want to try and get these brakes on. I don't want to necessarily put the tires, just get the brakes on and call that a done deal for the project, and then go ahead and get that engine pulled out. My goal is by next Tuesday, I'll be all ready to pull that engine out, and all I want to do is take it out, swap the clutch and throw out bearing out, and put it right back in. If it's out more than an hour, it's going to be too long. I've got my new Harbor Freight engine hoist. I'm probably only going to use it maybe once or twice in my life, who knows. And I got an engine support so I can work on the engine a little bit and clean it while it's out. So it might take a little bit longer than an hour. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more updates.